Ghyanendra Mishra, political analyst, also is joining the broadcast now. Ghyanendra Mishra, thanks for staying with us. Of course, Mr. Chavan there, talking about the political allegations that have been leveled against his party for this, botched up probe. That's what the BJP is, of course, claiming. Also saying that obviously there were political masters at work to try and frame certain individuals in this case. Now, Sadhvi Pragya today claiming she was being forced to name Narendra Modi. Others have said they were forced to name Mohan Bhagwat and others as well. Ghyanendra Mishra. These are serious charges.
No, so Uday,
I don't know if you heard Varun Singh earlier and his perspective as well. You can counter that too if you want to.
Yeah, can you hear me, Uday?
Loud and clear, please go ahead.
Hello. Yeah, so I think that's a very pertinent point that is being raised by it. When you look at the order of the NIA court in Mumbai, it basically raises serious questions about the professionalism of our premier investigative agencies. And it is not the first case of its kind. See what happened few days back in the Mumbai local, train blast case as well, where ultimately the Mumbai High Court has left everybody scot-free, saying again that the investigation has been carried in a highly unprofessional manner and it does not inspire confidence at all. And now in this case as well, that's the same observation made by the NIA court, where the court says that the NIA has not conducted the investigation in a professional manner and failed to prove the case beyond the doubt, the standard of proof that is required in such serious crime. And mind you, you will see that the court has said very specifically that there are strong suspicion towards accused, but howsoever strong the suspicion is, it cannot replace the standard of proof that is required in such a cases for the accused to be punished. And this is where the NIA has completely failed. So that's the and it's a very serious matter for all of us to consider and ponder, if that is the standard of investigation by the premier agency of our terror crime, then it is a matter of concerns for all, because this is what we are seeing time and again, that such an heinous crime happens, terrorist act happens, but ultimately nobody is held accountable. And those who are made accused by the investigative agencies are left by the court scot-free in the lack of evidence because the botched up investigation, whether at the trial court itself or at the high court level. So this is where it is a matter of great concerns for all of us, because everybody's interest is to know that who are the perpetrators of such heinous crime. Whether it is, I don't subscribe to, and I will say that, that the terror belongs to any religion. And again, when you look at the court itself has observed that there isn't, you cannot equate any religion with any terror. The question is that who has committed this crime and where lies the responsibility? Is it not the responsibility of the investigative agencies and the government under which these investigative agencies works under the control and supervision? And it is a unique situation where the court is telling that the investigative agencies has completely failed to conduct a professional investigation, and the master of these agencies are celebrating the acquittal, which is very unfortunate, because as the government you cannot be the party of a particular accused and start celebrating